Alright boys, we're gonna run a generator test. So the way to do that is you put two of your gens in the manual position. They're all in auto now. We only exercise or test one at a time. So I'm gonna run generator 1 first. I'm gonna switch generator 2 to manual. You get an alarm, that way it won't start. We're only going to run it 800 kW maybe. This is generator 3, do the same thing. So you're ready to go. The electricians will cut the power off to US1, which is the central plant. The lights will go out, gen will kick on and take over. Later.